Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials and opening your project now. Install the updated editor and the matching runtime, then grant storage and terminal permissions so the app can read files and run commands. Once done, create or pick the project folder and link it to your Git or cloud repository. This saves time later. Make sure you enable external keyboard and file access if you plan to import libraries, because those steps remove friction before coding. Now you're ready to begin editing. You'll edit, run, and debug in sequence to make progress. Start by organizing files with tabs and split view, syntax highlighting, and code folding speed up scanning. Then run code using the built-in terminal or the run button and observe output and error traces to pinpoint failures. Once you hit an issue, set breakpoints, step through code, and inspect variables or console logs to confirm state. Make sure to save frequently and use lint warnings to prevent common mistakes as you iterate. You finish by committing and deploying your work so it's reproducible. Commit changes, push to the remote, and test the app on an emulator or a real device to confirm behavior. Then export or build artifacts, double-check runtime permissions, and verify end-to-end flows before closing the session. If something breaks, follow one key troubleshooting tip. Clear the editor cache, reinstall suspect plugins, and rerun the failing command while reading the error stack from top to bottom. That usually reveals the underlying.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.